Hey, what's up guys? My name is Corinne and I'm a boudoir photographer based out of Dallas, Texas. And today I'm bringing you an unboxing. I am unboxing plants that I purchased from the Sill. And I can already tell you what plants I got. I got some Monstera Deliciosas and two other kind of cool plants I can't wait for you guys to see. But after we do the unboxing of the plants, just in case you guys kind of wanted to see how it was, I'm going to kind of explain my impressions and all that fun stuff. So let's get right to it. So before I get to the actual unboxing of the plants, I wanted to show you guys like how big the box is. So the box is this big. It was delivered by UPS, but as you see, the box is all sorts of fucked up, okay? So I'm not gonna blame this on the Sill, but we're gonna see what the plants actually look like inside. But my box came absolutely busted and ugh. I just like these places, they don't care about how your packages get delivered as long as they get delivered on time. I know because I used to work at FedEx and I used to load up 18-wheeler trucks by myself, and I know for a fact that we just used to slam packages. So I know that's what they did. They were not very careful with this. I don't know if something the Sill can do is like put fragile or something on the box to help that. I'm not sure. But we'll see how well packaged the plants actually are inside the box. Some cool things in here. As you can see, they're all pretty big. And what is in this small one? We'll do this one last. But first, so I want to say, it seems like, we'll see what it looks like when we actually undo each plant. But I know from other videos, this is like a care sheet. So I will tell you guys what plants I actually got. And it looks like it's an order sheet of the plants that you got. So I got two Monstera Deliciosa. I'm sorry. My Invisalign is in. I have two Monstera Deliciosa. Monsteras. Okay, I got two Monsteras, right? I got a Marimo moss ball, which I'm super excited. It's about 1 inch. And then I got a Silver Philodendron. That's how you pronounce it. And what I like so far about the Sill, I love this envelope. And I love how they have these plants to make people feel happy. Like, and the care sheets are really nice and they get right to the point. So I know what this one is right here. So let's start with the Silver Philodendron. And this plant is from Southeast Asia. It likes low light to dappled sun. I already have one of these plants inside my apartment. You guys did not see it in my plant tour because I got it after the plant tour. And it likes to be watered 1 every 2 weeks, allows soil to half dry about 2 inches down, and can tolerate moistness. Okay, so it makes me feel good that my other plant is really moist and it's still popping. And some sad plant signs: leaves curling, drooping means it's underwater, and yellow leaves mean it's overwatered. Okay, awesome. So it's underwatered if it's curling, and then overwatered if the leaves are going yellow. All right, so let's look at it. So far, I can tell you already, this plant was $6. I love the size of it already. My other plant was $6 too, so I totally feel like this is a fair price. God, the thing I don't like about this, and this might be UPS's fault, is like the dirt is getting everywhere. I'm wishing that I would have done this outside, but I love how tight the sealing is on this packaging. So the sealing is really tight on here. Ooh, this kind of like looks bigger than my other plant. Oh my gosh, it is really big. This is a really good size for $6, you guys. If you guys are not familiar with the Silver Philodendron, it's a beautiful plant. I think, you know what, my silver leaf looks a little different. So I don't know if I have like a different variety of it, because mine has a lot more silver than this one does. But this is gorgeous. And I love how they use whatever this straw hay thing is to wrap it around the plant. That's pretty cool. Man, I have dirt all over me. So if y'all like unbox this, make sure that you do it like outside or on a table. Had I known this is going to be my life right now, I would have done it like outside. Oh, a leaf fell off. But I mean, that's just probably from transportation. There's a little bit of browning on the plant, but that again could have come from the transportation being knocked around a lot. But you know what? It's actually not bigger than my other plant. My other plant is much fuller than this, but you know what? I'm not going to complain. My other plant was the same price, but it was much fuller on this side. And I'll show you guys too. And my other plant has a lot more silver in it. So I'm wondering if they're two different varieties kind of the same plant. But yeah, my other plant has a lot more silver reflection in it. But you know, this is beautiful too, so I'm not going to be upset. Alright, but I love how it's already drooping. My plant is not doing that. It's like just really bulky and very curly. So my plant and this one might actually be two different specimens. I'll show you guys my other plant and y'all can tell me what you guys think. But that's really good. So I have two of these Monsteras. I got two because I wanted to buy three, but I had to stop myself. I wanted to put one in this room that I'm in right now, one in the living room, and then I wanted to take one to work. But I think I'm just gonna put one in this room and just take one to work, depending on how big it is, I don't know. But here we go. Oh my God, this is so cool. So, oh my gosh. Y'all, this is beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this Monstera is already growing, and I can tell the leaf that's coming out right now already has the Swiss cheese-ness of it, like you can see it. I bought this plant for $22 off the site. Before it was $20, but I think they raised their prices. This Monstera is fucking gorgeous, you guys. Like, I am way too happy. And it's actually bigger than the Monstera that I bought for 20 bucks. I'm still happy with that plant. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, you know, tomorrow morning, in the morning, because it's dark right now. So you can see how much it's grown. But yeah, this Monstera looks absolutely gorgeous. I love how full it is. It looks totally healthy. There's a little bit bending of the leaves, but I think again that came from, you know, it moving around. But I totally cannot wait to put this somewhere. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's see what the other Monstera looks like. Okay, this one has roots coming out from the bottom of it. So I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to like repot it. Okay, dirt everywhere. Oh gosh, I have dirt everywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one I can absolutely tell you where the sun was because of how this plant is leaning. But yeah, look at it, nice and full. The other one I think is a little fuller, a little bit bigger leaves. This one, oh, a leaf fell off. Tragedies of shipping. But yeah, it's got a lot of like beautiful new growth at the bottom of it. A lot of great leaves. I think the other plant is a bit, not healthier, but it's just a little bit more full. But I can tell you right now, I'm super happy with this plant. Yeah, it looks like it just got, ooh, this one already has the Swiss cheese effect too coming out of it. Really cool. So you can tell that these plants were very well taken care of. So my last plant is this one. I'm gonna have to like do a zoom up. You're gonna have to zoom in on this one. But this one is an aquaplant. It's the Marimo mothball. And it is one that you leave basically kind of like in a jar. Hopefully I don't kill the bad boy. Ooh, shit. There is no water in here. I thought there was gonna be water in it. So this is what it looks like. It's just basically a round ball of algae. This one I might actually take to work because I think this is pretty cool. I'll show you guys a close-up of it, but I'm super excited. I think there was a little bit of water in it, but it's not anymore, so I need to, you know, get my life and put it in some water. But this is what it looks like, and I'll do kind of a close-up so you guys can see it. But let's kind of go back to the care instructions for the... Why does it say Swiss cheese vine? Okay, so they gave me the incorrect care directions for the Monstera. So they gave me the Monstera obliqua, which is a really beautiful plant too, but the leaves are a little bit different, but perhaps the care is still the same, and maybe that's why they dropped it in. But it's from the tropical Americas. Medium indirect light, water once every every 2 weeks, or 1 to 2 weeks. Allow soil to dry out completely before watering again. I'm glad I know that. So sad plant signs: if it's wilting, it means it's overwatered, and if the leaves start to yellow, it means it's overwatered. So let's go to the Marimo. So this little plant comes from Iceland, Japan, Scotland, and Estonia. Low light to dappled sunlight. So this might actually do great in my office. It lives in water. Change the water every 2 weeks. Use tippet water. Swirl water semi-daily. Okay, so I'll swirl the water once a day, and they want you to swirl the water so it can keep its like round shape. If you don't, it will change shapes. So if it has brown spots, it means there's a fungal infection, and if you see floating bubbles, oxygen is being produced. Okay, awesome. So, my final thoughts. My final thoughts are, I loved the shipment that I got from the Sill. The plants are absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the Monsteras that came in. I'm really excited about the Marimo ball, and the Silver Philodendron is absolutely gorgeous. Everything that I got, including shipping, you guys, was $60. So I got 2 Monsteras. This ball, I think this ball was like $5. The silver leaf plant, I'm gonna call it that, was $6, and the Monsteras were about 22 each, I think. And then, you know, I paid another, I think, $10 for shipping. But I think this is a great deal. I'm loving to get 4 plants for 60 bucks. I would highly suggest that you guys do it too. All right, so if you have any questions, hit me up, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm doing one super soon because I have another package coming from the Sill. Can't wait to talk to you guys about it. Bye. All right, here's the Marimo ball. Here it is in its bag right now. This one was $5, and then there was like a $9 one. I'm not sure which one this is. I hope this, maybe, I don't know which one this is. So yeah, I'm going to take it to work maybe next week, but I'm going to get it set up in a little home. So I'm going to find something cute for it to be in, and I am super excited about it. So here is a close-up of the Silver Philodendron. Let me bring my other one, but this is the one I got from the Sill. I'm really loving this one. It's not as full as my other plant was, but I'm not going to complain about it. And the silver really pops out in the sun. I just love the silver leaves. My light is not doing it any justice because it looks gray when it's more silver. But if you give me a second, let me go get my other plant. But this is my other Silver Philodendron. Notice that these are 2 different plants. I'm convinced of it. Because look at the leaf pattern on this one. And then look at the leaf pattern on this one. This one has tons more silver on it. And this is why I picked it up, and I was thinking this one was that plant. So either the Sill messed up, or my local boutique nursery messed up on telling me which one it is. But these 2 are not, they look really similar, but I don't believe these are the same plants. Because this looks more like watercolor right here. Just like someone just splashed something on it, and this looks more like sprinkles of silver. They could be part of the same family, but I don't think these are the same plant. Let me know what you guys think. Again, here are the Monsteras. Their pots are super big. I believe they said they're 4-inch diameter. These look a lot bigger than 4 inches. I'm going to be completely honest with you. But nonetheless, this plant is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't thank the Sill enough because these plants look super healthy. They actually look so much more healthy than the Calathea or Bifolias I got sent to me earlier this week. But I'm really happy with them. And again, there's some new growth coming, not new growth, but this is the new leaf. And you can already see the Swiss cheesiness in it. The other one has it too. And I cannot wait. Next month, I'm actually doing a plant tour update. So I cannot wait to show you guys like how well these plants are doing. But yeah, these are the plants right now. And I cannot be more than happy.